and welcome to all that are new to my channel. Happy Friday! Yeah. I'm so happy to be back, you guys, because I have a really cute, chill, vibey picture that I want to share with you guys that I just did early this week, and I can't wait to share with you guys that process. But before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. Yes, you guys. So Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators where you can explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in your creativity, okay? You can learn watercolor, you can learn how to do photography, you can learn how to run your own business. I mean, really the possibilities are endless on there, especially if you're just trying to find a new hobby and discover something that you probably didn't even think you would be interested in before. Like, it's all there on Skillshare. I think one of the classes that I love the most on Skillshare that has really helped me a lot is Gabrielle Bricky's class. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love her class. It's called Character Illustration, Drawing Female Portraits in PROCREATE, and the reason why I love that class so much is because she talks about drawing different angles of the head, and that's one of the things that I've struggled with a lot before. But once I took that class, you guys, I'm telling you, it was so easy to do it. So if you guys are interested in Skillshare, I would definitely recommend her class. And another cool thing about Skillshare, you guys, is that there's no ads, so that you're able to focus and just be able to just really, stay in tune with what you're learning. And also, it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription, you guys. And they're always launching new premium classes for you guys to check out. So yeah, y'all, go ahead, check that link in the description if you guys are interested, and let me know if you guys decide to try it. But yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this video and sharing with you guys my process. Alrighty, you guys. So I'm really excited to share with you guys this piece because I just recently found this amazing reference picture. If you guys know the artist or photographer of this picture, let us know in the comments below so we can give them their proper credit. But when I saw this picture, you guys, I immediately fell in love. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been drawing backgrounds a lot more lately, and I'm loving it. And I've just been wanting to tell a story with my art a lot more, because, I've been drawing my, my characters, my baddies and stuff, by themselves, and I haven't been giving them like a world to live in for, a while now. So I was like, it's time for me to start practicing backgrounds and using references of backgrounds, just like I use references of models to draw my characters. And I can't stress to you how important using references is. Like, oh my goodness, you guys, references will change your life. Always use them if you're trying to, draw, and if you're wanting to get your skills sharpened up. Always have references on hand, and I'm telling you, it's going to just change your whole art game. And having references really just builds a mental library, you guys. I mean, and the reason why I'm telling you guys about this is because I didn't even use a reference to draw the girl that's going to be in this picture. And that's because I've been using references for forever, for different poses and just drawing bodies and, pictures of, different people and stuff. And that's how I created a mental library, so that now I don't really have to use references for drawing poses and stuff. And now I'm just using references for the backgrounds because I'm, just starting to get to learn to do them more. So I just wanted to let you guys, in on that, so you guys can really just remember the importance of references and always use them, and never think that it's bad to use references, because man, it'll change your life, you guys. Also, if you haven't checked out my video on how to make reference pages, you guys, like, go check it out, because it's lit, and it'll just really just change your art game. It's really great, especially if you get an art block a lot and you need to be inspired. You'll always have pictures and things to inspire you on hand. So I definitely recommend that. But yeah, let's get to talking more about this piece and what it means to me. So I like to draw pictures or backgrounds per se that, give me a sense of peace, or just places that I would like to go to. If you guys know me personally, or if you guys have been following me for a long time, you probably have heard me mention how I love to travel and how I want to travel more in the future. And just, looking at the beautiful places in the world that God has created is just, it is breathtaking to me. Like, I love the ocean. I love the tropical areas, islands, and all that kind of stuff. So I definitely want to incorporate that into my artwork more. And man, you guys, just look at this reference picture for a second and just tell me you wouldn't want to be there. Like, who wouldn't? Like, who wouldn't want to be there? Like, I mean, come on. Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, something about this piece, I just love the simplicity of it. It's simple, but yet so beautiful and peaceful at the same time. And I think that simplicity of it is really what makes it so just peaceful and beautiful. And even the wrinkles in the bed, it's just all so natural. And it's just, I just really love this piece. And I just really imagine one of my characters being in this world. And I think that's one of the fun things that I really get out of drawing backgrounds now, is creating a world and a story for my characters. And it just really is so much fun, and I'm just enjoying it. So I can't wait to continue to practice backgrounds more and stuff like that. And soon, eventually, I'll have a how I draw backgrounds tutorial on my Patreon. And if you guys don't know what Patreon is, that is where you can have a monthly subscription to one of your favorite artists or creator, whoever you want to support. And on my Patreon, I share full-time monthly tutorials. I give rewards, benefits. I even give you guys personal feedback on your artwork, and you get coloring pages. You can get downloadable wallpapers and get early access and just see behind the scenes of things that I'm working on and doing. So I would definitely check out my Patreon if you guys want to support me on there. But if not, I totally understand. Thank you guys who watch my videos. That's support for me enough as well. So thank you guys so much for that. But yeah, you guys, definitely check that out if you guys are wanting to support me and get some monthly rewards and benefits, and check out what I'm doing behind the scenes. So yeah, you guys see me drawing my character right here. And oh my goodness, you guys, I had so much fun drawing this character. I just imagine like how I would kind of be like laying on the bed and looking at this beautiful landscape. So that's kind of just like the process of what I'm doing here. And if you guys notice the little heart to the left, I decided that I wanted to give her like a little heart lamp in her room instead of the regular lamp, because you know I just like hearts and stuff, and I just wanted to, you know, raw sushi-fy it, because you know she's living in raw sushi world. Okay. So yeah, you guys, I don't really have much to say about this part, but to just share with you guys the process. And yeah, that's really about it. But I hope you guys enjoy watching the rest of this video. I'm gonna continue to have some chill music over it, and you know, I'll come back if I have anything more to say. But anyways, you guys just enjoy the chill vibes of it and enjoy the process, you guys. Hey you guys, I wanted to pop in because I wanted to let you guys know that I created a lo-fi / chill praise / worship playlist called God and Chill on my Spotify. And oh my gosh, you guys, like I'm telling you, it's hidden gems that, you know, we would have never knew existed. So I had to put this playlist together because we don't hear a lot of like praise or worship music that is lo-fi and chill and just really nice music to listen to and just really relax to and ease your mind. So I wanted to let you guys know about it. And if you guys are wanting to check out my playlist, to check out my description, and I will have that down below for you guys. And I'm also thinking about posting the playlist to YouTube. I don't know if I'm able to do that, just making sure that I, you know, keep the video, you know, non-monetized, so that way I'll be able to post it. But if you guys know how to like post playlists, and if you can, let me know down in the comments below, because you know I would love to post the chill lo-fi praise music playlist to YouTube for those of you who don't have Spotify. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to let you guys know about that, and check it out, listen to it, and let me know how you guys like it. And yeah. Alrighty, my love, so this is the final piece, you guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching the process of this video and the process of my art piece. And you know, I have so much fun doing it, you guys. I really love how this came out, and it just really gives me this just whole peaceful and chill vibe. And lately, you know, I've been, you know, if you guys didn't know, I've been getting more into the word lately and stuff like that, and applying scripture to my life a lot more, and also to my art as well, you guys. And this picture, I decided I would choose this verse, Psalms 36:5, and it says, "Your loving kindness, O Lord, extends to the heavens. Your faithfulness reaches to the skies." And I just think this is the absolute most perfect verse for this picture, because it's just almost as if she's feeling this verse right now. You know what I'm saying? She's, you know, thinking about the Lord's loving kindness and how it extends to the heavens. The faithfulness, his faithfulness reaches to the skies. I mean, she's looking at the sky. I mean, like, it's just, the verse just really resonates with this picture so well. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, God is so good and so great how he works things out. And, you know, I'm just really loving how I'm able to share with you guys some scripture through some, you know, art pieces that I do. So, you know, I really love, you know, how this picture came out. I hope you guys really enjoyed the process of it. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching once again. I enjoy you all so much. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Rawsueshii. I will be posting the full image there, and check out my Patreon if you guys are interested in seeing behind the scenes and learning full real-time tutorials from me. I have some tutorials on there right now on how I color, how I draw, how to draw a face and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in learning from me and getting feedback on your art and stuff, check out my Patreon, you guys. And yeah, you guys, I'm just so happy that I was able to do this video today. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for being such amazing supporters, and I cannot wait to continue to share with you all more. So I'll see you guys next time, and thanks so much for watching. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.